Today I'm going to show you how to create a seamless zoom transition in Premiere Pro. Let's dive right in. I've set up a sequence with 2 videos. To start, we'll need to create an adjustment layer. Ensure it matches your sequence and drag it above your videos on the timeline. Next, navigate to the effects panel and search for transform. And apply it to the adjustment layer. In the Effect Controls panel, uncheck Use Composition Shutter Angle and increase the shutter angle for motion blur. I'm keeping it at the max 360. Now, position the time indicator at the video cut. Set a keyframe for scale at 300%. Then move 5 frames to the left and reset the scale to 100%. Repeat this process 5 frames right from the cut. Right-click the first and the last keyframes. Choose Ease Out and Ease In respectively. Expand the arrow to access value and speed graphs. Use the speed graph to adjust velocity for smoothness. Preview your animation for a sleek zoom transition. Thanks for watching and until next time.